If you're looking for the most exciting and the most versatile video editing program, just wait, and let Dennis tell you all about it.
Hi, I'm Dennis, and I need to tell you that it only took me about 10 minutes to create that introductory video. Oh, I've had some prior experience with this software, but now this graphic shows us the 4 different options we have for creating videos in Video Robot. But let's take a brief look at each of the 4, beginning with the numerous 3D avatar templates.
Are you finally ready to start getting in shape and looking for a professional, reliable, and affordable place for your workouts? If so, you've come to the right place.
We are proud to be the premier local chiropractor, and getting our clients pain-free is our #1 goal. We have helped hundreds of clients greatly reduce or eliminate their pain in just a few sessions.
These areas include countless male and female 3D characters, as well as a template for almost any imaginable niche. Next come the Kinetic animation templates, with the same available niches and lifelike voices, except without the 3D characters.
Our range of dog training services will work with you and your dog personally. Our professional team has years of experience.
If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable travel agent, well, you've come to the right place.
Then there's one of my very favorites, the Whiteboard animation templates. The final option provides us a blank canvas and the option to build any sort of video we want from scratch. Before we end here though, let's take a look at the numerous text effects available within Video Robot. Lastly, while there's no way I could do this program justice, let me say that Video Robot is perhaps the most powerful or versatile of all the video programs I own. With that, I hope you'll use the link provided down below to discover lots more about Video Robot, as well as about a few extra options and some bonuses that are available to you.